Thanks to Proven Skincare for sponsoring today's video. Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Today I'm walking you through how to build this rolling planter box. Check out the description below for free PDF plans. There I link all the tools and materials that I used for the project. I'm building the entire planter box out of cedar. Cedar is a bit more expensive, but you don't need to stain or seal it, which is nice. You can use regular lumber and then use an exterior stain and sealer. Just be sure to use a non-toxic product if you plan to use these planters for fruits, veggies, herbs, anything edible. First, I cut all my lumber down to size. I'm actually building 2 of the same planters in case you're wondering why I have so much lumber. For the legs, I'm using 4x4s. For the framing, I'm using 2x4s. For the sides and bottom, I'm using 1x6s. And for the top trim, I'm using 1x4s. Once again, you can find the full tool, material, and cut list in the free plans linked below. Now that my material is cut, I'm going to drill some pocket holes in my 2x4 framing. I'm drilling 2 pocket holes in each end of the 2x4s. The pocket holes are drilled, now we can start building the frame. To secure the framing to the legs, I'm using 2.5-inch pocket screws. I used a scrap 2x4 as a spacer. I want the 1x6 boards to be inset from the legs a little bit like you see here. I secured 2 2x4s to each side. The top 2x4 is flush with the top of the legs, and then I did about a 6-inch gap to the next 2x4. I secured the framing to the short sides first. I followed the same steps to secure the long sides. Before we move on to the next step, I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video, Proven Skincare. Proven is the world's most personalized skincare with an approach that's completely backed by data. I get so overwhelmed with skincare. There are just so many different types of products, uses, and benefits, but what I love about Proven is that they eliminate the exhausting and wasteful trial and error process of finding the right skincare. By taking a quick 3-minute quiz, Proven creates a personalized skincare routine based on recurring analysis of 47 factors about you. A few of the skincare concerns that I want to address are acne, dryness, and I'm starting to notice more fine lines and wrinkles. So here I have a cleanser, toner, and exfoliant all in one. This has active ingredients that will brighten and shrink the appearance of pores. It has salicylic acid, which is an acne fighting ingredient. Then I have a double duty moisturizer and SPF, which is a 100% necessity for me living in Florida and working on all our outside projects coming up. This has active ingredients that will hydrate my skin, promote skin cell renewal, and prevent signs of premature aging. Then at night, I have a personalized night cream. I'm so excited about my new personalized skincare routine. I will follow up in a few weeks after using these regularly and let you guys know what I think. Simplify your routine while giving your skin exactly what it needs by trying Proven Skincare's 3-step skincare system for 50% off using my code STEPH99. Okay, we have the planters framed. Now let's secure the bottom. For the bottom, I'm using 1x6 cedar boards. I cut them all down to size and dry fit them in place. In order to cover the entire bottom, I notched out the legs in the 2 end pieces with my jigsaw. I left a little bit of spacing in between each board to allow for water drainage. I secured these pieces to the framing with 1 1/4 inch exterior deck screws. The bottom is secure, and now we can attach the side 1x6 boards. I used my brad nailer with 1.5 inch nails to temporarily hold the boards in place. Then I went around and drilled holes, then secured the 1x6 boards to the framing with 1 1/4 inch exterior deck screws. I wanted these planters to be on wheels so that we can wheel them around into the sunlight or shade depending on the types of things that we grow. I got 2 locking and 2 regular rubber wheels that won't scratch up the deck. I secured the wheels with exterior deck screws. Last but not least, I added 1x4 trim along the top. I mitered each corner at 45 degrees and then secured the trim to the legs with 1 1/2 inch brad nails. There you have a beautiful rolling planter box. I'm going to staple some landscape fabric to the inside of the planter so none of the dirt spills out. I'll fill the planter with dirt, and then we are going to plant some veggies and herbs. Keep an eye on my Instagram at Home with Stephanie because I plan to reveal the finished planter boxes there soon.